Hey guys, happy Saturday. It is a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. You have yours truly, V-La-Nessa. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're old, welcome back. I promised I was gonna do a vlog in this room I get in now. But let me tell you, next week we're not doing it in the room. We're not starting it off in the room. We're gonna go outside next week. Okay? We're gonna be outside. Too much inside. Anyway, welcome to the channel if you're new. Please remember to subscribe, and then if you're old, please remember to like and share it with your friends and your families. Tell your brother, uncle, nephew, niece, sister, son-in-law, hey, come over here, so because over here, so we share what is real. We talk about the program and you know about my life. Yeah, so smash the like button, everyone. Now, the reason why I even push to start the vlog right now, it is actually 10:54 p.m. Just got in from work. I had a double shift, so that's why it's fitting for me to start the vlog today. And I just have to start the vlog on a Saturday for it to be a weekly vlog. If I don't start it today, just I gonna feel weird. So I'm starting it today. Anyway, I do have some package that I'm going to review for you, and both of these are coming from TikTok shop. Yeah, so yesterday though I didn't show you guys because I was ending the vlog. I don't want to put anything in the vlog because yeah, I got a new case. If you know, this is my favorite color. It's like a teal color. Yeah, I got a new case for my phone. I'm not gonna put it right now. And then I got one for my S10. It's kind of green. I couldn't find the same color, but yeah, I found one because I'm like, I need new cases now. It's due time. And then I got this, and basically this is just a box opener. Comes in 3, so I have blue, purple, and pink. So I'm going to use this to open my package. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with blue, and it's here. And guys, it's gonna be in my Amazon storefront. Anything that you see me on my reviewing or anything, I'm going to put it on my Amazon storefront, and also this is going to be on my TikTok shop. Alright, I think I want to start with this one. Let me go for the mirror, because the one here, we need to see if it worked too. Alright, so I got a mirror. Alright, this thing, everybody been raving about it, so I want to see if it really works. So this one is coming from Boss Cosmetic, and if you know what this is, the Boss Up Cosmetic. So it's basically like a lip gloss that it takes your pH and give you your natural pink lip color. So I got that, and I actually bought the set, and then I bought, I think it was the eyebrow pencil set too. So I'm just going to show you, and I'm going to see if it really works. Or maybe I didn't get the pencil, so I just got this. This is the kit, and it's packaged really good. Really, really good. It's packaged really good. So what is that? Her pictures on it. It's by her. It's really packaged really good. So I give her A+ for packaging. Not like the packaging as in this. She even put some of these stuff in it, and she give us, it's just like Amazon. She give us this this thing for a small business. Well, it's not really a small business anymore, but she put a lot of thought in it. And then here we have the lip gloss and the pen, the brown pencil. So I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. So let's try it. Okay, so first, I don't know how to do this. So first, I know she used the pencil and line the lips. And then we're going to put this on the lip gloss that actually activates your pH and then change. So we're going to see if it changed right before our eyes, okay? And I really like how it looks. And the fact that the bottle, it's like printed on there. I love that. You know, many people would just use sticker, and oh god, it's a small amount, but damn, I really love it. It's giving me nice. Yeah, so let's start with the bottom lip. You know, so I should I put on this first before I put on the brown part, because you know the brown part can't pan this. But I don't know, it looks like it's changing. It looks like it's actually working, guys. Remember, I only put this on, you know. I only put this on, remember. And it's getting a little pink. I like that. I should have put this on first and then the pencil, but oh well. And then after that, put it there and then use this after. This is the glossy one. I think it kind of changed it. I think it changed it. What do you think? I should try it without a pencil, you know, but there you go. There you go. You live and you learn. But I'm actually pleased with this because, you know, I plan to go out more often, so I have to get in my makeup bag. And I wanted to try this. And then I am a simple girl. I don't want to put on lipstick all the time and all those stuff. But here is another one, and this is from TikTok Shop. This is actually a wig. And that's me want to do an unboxing. I wanted to do an unboxing. And this is from CurlyMe collection, and if you look, the packaging is top tier. I love the ribbon that goes across, and then I love here, like, these people are putting thoughts, and the fact that they have like all of this Google Me and everything, promoting their own brand. Like, look at all of this, lovely, love that. Then you'll take it off. Ooh. And then here's the wig. It's an 18-inch girl curly, like, what do you call it? Ginger hair. It's not so blonde. It's like a kinky curly. It's like a brown ear. And you get it's pre-pluck, pre-bleach, and it's supposed to be glueless. It is glueless. And then it has the elastic behind it, and it comes with an extra elastic. So I love that. They also give you your dust bag, like a hair bag, branded, of course. Love that. Love the fact that they're putting so much thought in their, like, if I have a business, yeah, this is what I would do too. Love that. And then I have the CurlyMe melting band, a pink brush, edge brush. Then we got lashes, some milk lashes. We got the HD wig cap, and there's 2 in this, I should assume. Then you have your contact list. It says write a positive review of 5-star and get $15 cash back. You see this? Them smart. Make a video about the hair. Don't forget to tag CurlyMe official to get 30 hair back. So, you know, I'm gonna tag them in this. Okay. Video review exceed 10k 50. So listen, oh no, better share the video. Someone can get $50 back. If it extend 100k, we get $100 back. Well, this is good. People are pushing out their brand just to get back these stuff. This is really good. I love that. And they're not losing, because remember, you're also gaining on their platform. On, say for instance, you tag them on YouTube or whatever, you're making money, and then you're getting $100, and the wig is more than $100, so they're not losing. A lot of people not doing this, and then that gives them more revenue if more people, like say for instance 10,000 people watch you and 1,000 out of it buy it, they make money. Yeah, so I'm gonna try this on and see how it looks in the bathroom. So let's go in the bathroom. Should I go in the bathroom? Yeah, let's go in the bathroom. The lighting is better. The only thing with the bathroom is that I don't have nowhere to put you. So I'm gonna put you right here. And then I'm gonna put this on. This over here. Here, it feels good. Just feel like a regular hair. Like everything is properly done. Love that. Then this is the non-slip band. Yeah. Then it has two combs, well, three combs. It has a comb in the back. The comb is removable. So you know, so this wig not going away. This wig not going anywhere. So let's try this over. This here. You know my love about the wig here? Why I feel like it cannot fit me? It cannot go down because of my hair, but it does look good. I think it fits me. But let's just see this. And then I feel like when I'm doing it, I'm going to like, how this come out to, like the two side one them come out to. Oh Jesus. Like, look at that. Can't talk to me. Oh, and I don't even need it. Like, it literally not really show nothing. If I don't want to put anything there, like I literally can. You guys, you see that? I don't need nothing. I don't need nothing. But I'm gonna fix it up, and then I'm gonna do like a layer thing, like cut it in layers, and then ooh, can't talk to me. And then the lip gloss just fit perfectly. Like, who is she? Who is she? But what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna use like the melting spray to melt this in my skin. Yeah, I wish like I could just put it on my head properly, but I can't. I can like that. Love this streak. It looks good. I like it. So what do you think? Tell me what you think. Think not done yet, you know, fix up now nothing. But you think the color kind of fit me. Yeah. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll pick up back with you. Tomorrow I'll be working 4:30. Like for most of the days in this week I'll be working 4:30. On Christmas Day I'll be working 8 o'clock to about 9 o'clock. So yeah, so I'll come back to you. I didn't even to catch it up. Oh my, can you imagine just putting my hair there and then catching it up? Love this. I love it. I love it. It's really good. I can't wait to fix this. I love the fact that you can actually remove these. They thought of everything, because sometimes it's really uncomfortable, you know. Sometimes you really want to take it out. And then this thing go over your ears. Like it go over your ears. Like CurlyMe, love that. I think it's gonna sit down properly when everything is done properly. Yeah, so let me just put these back in. I think I'm gonna do like a little review on this. So I'm gonna set it up like I never opened it before. You know me, YouTube people didn't see 30. So maybe see the people them. Guys, so it's minutes after, maybe it's 1 o'clock, I don't know. But I know, yeah, it's 1:52, so it's like 8 minutes to 2. And I was just about getting ready to go to my bed, and I decided that I want to try something. Because yesterday I told you about this that I bought on TikTok. I've been wanting to buy this for the longest, and I'm like, you know what? I just close my eye and I press it. It's Christmas. This is my Christmas gift to me. Well, one off. So I just bought it. And then yesterday when I was talking to you and showing you how it works, it actually never did work. It didn't work until today. Do you see that? Do you see the color? I literally just put on the lip gloss, and the reason why it wasn't working was because I put on the wrong one. So this is the one that actually changed your color. Cause I was looking at it, you know, cause I put it on today when I was going to work, and I put it on, nothing changed. It still looked good, still feel good, but it never really gave me that visible proof that it actually worked. Or maybe my mind was working, was playing on me, or maybe it was just mild. It just didn't show that much. And then when I was looking at this, I was like, this top part is pink, right? Maybe this is the one that works. But the reason why I didn't want to use it is because it adds glitter, like shimmer in it. I never wanted to use it because I didn't want any glitter on my lip. But I was like, well, this is pink, this part is pink, and the next one is not pink. Maybe this is just the clear one, and this is the one that activated. So this basically say it goes to the color of your lips, but I don't know. I feel like there is something else. It's not just lip gloss, if you understand. I feel like there's something else. The fact that this changed color, I think the liquid in here, once it touched something, it changed color, and not just my lip. But yeah, I just come to just update you because I was like, is it really working? Yeah, it's working. It's working. I don't know what's the science behind it, but it's working. So I'm not going to even use much of this. I just wanted to try it out today, and I did. If you guys want to go ahead and purchase it, I would tell you to go and purchase it, because look at my lip. This is better than this lip stain that I have, because I have a lip stain that I always use, but this is so much better. So much better. Like, I love it. I love it. Guys, can you believe that it's actually, what, 2 more days until Christmas? Today's the 23rd, which is, because after 12, yeah, 23rd. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. And then it's next week is New Year's. Oh my God. Can you remember when we just, like, when the year just started, and we're like, damn, it's gonna be a long year. But by the time you're quaint, the year done, time waits on no man. So guys, anything that you want to do, just do it, because listen, time is not waiting. Just do whatever you want to do, get up and do it. Make mistakes, you learn from your mistakes. Do what you want to do. If you want to start that channel, start it. If you want to save, start saving. You want to buy the house, go towards it. I always say that I would rather to pay mortgage than paying rent. Most of you are paying rent. That same money that you pay rent, you can actually pay mortgage. All you need is a down payment. Yeah, so guys, work towards it. Okay, work towards it. So yeah. Look at that. I not even put on the brown thing over it, and if I do that, it's gonna eat. Can you imagine me having makeup now? And I was gonna pull out my hair because I said I don't want to go to work with this hairstyle on Christmas Day, but then I just can't be bothered with combing my hair. But I think I should have pulled out my hair. I should have pulled out my hair. No, I should have pulled out my hair because I'm not going to work until in the evening. Today's what? Today's Monday. Christmas is Wednesday. So I can pull it out tomorrow night. So tomorrow night I'm going to pull it out and then rock my hair natural for Christmas Day. And then, yeah, go work Friday, Thursday. Yeah. So that is that. I hope you guys have a good Christmas. I'll be working as always. I pretty much have everything that I want. I bought my sister's gift. I just need to talk to my brother, see what he wants. My dad. Listen, I can't understand some no money, we not no money. Not too much I know. Can't bother. Too much I know. I asked my mother to them. Mother says she don't need nothing. That's news to my ears. But guess what? Next month I birthday. My birthday just 2 weeks from now? 2 weeks from now is her birthday. But yeah, get it. Maybe I promote it. Don't get it. Tell her say she need to sign me. Don't get it. Hey, but maybe I promote her. I work for free. Guys, do you realize that I don't even do PR nor do all those stuff? Like, I don't have time, but we need to start do it, because we need to start making some money now. Like, anyway, I want to go to my bed. It's too late. I'm watching Shelby, just catching up on all the vlogs, and then I think I have one more vlog to watch, and then I go to my bed. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. This is the first time I actually take off jewelry, and it's because these are so uncomfortable in sleeping in. So yeah, anyway, good night, see you later. Okay, good morning guys. So today I just want to tell you what next week is about so that you can know what next week is about. So you're gonna get a weekly vlog Saturday, which is this vlog I'm in right now. There's not going to be much going on in this vlog, and just keep you up to speed as it relates to the work program. Next week though, well, it's going to start this week because I'm going to do like maintenance and packing, preparing to go to my other location, and I want you guys to be a part of that. So but I just figure more than less I'm just going to do like individual days or individual vlogs so that you can follow along instead of have this whole long weekly vlog, if you understand. So don't look out for a weekly vlog next week. I may give you one, but I'm just telling you that's not the plan, right? So I'm gonna do like packing, maintenance, saying goodbyes and all those stuff, like a whole lot of stuff, whatever, and things that I need to do in order for me to get back my deposit as it relates to housing, things that I need to do to get back my deposit as it relates to my uniform. I'm gonna update you in the daily vlogs. So that's what next week is about, guys. Listen, if you know me now, we always not gonna say always. Majority of the time, I do my nails, me do near, cause guys, I'm a very hairy person. Let me see if me can show now. Now gonna say, if you look here, full of hair. Right now it's like nearly 1 inch here over. I am like a hairy person, and I have not used any nair for the longest while. My arm is hairy. I don't like that. I need to fix up my eyebrow. I need to do my hair. I need to do my nails. I need to do my toe. Not only that, my toe. Something did happen with my toe in August 6th. I had on I extended my toenail. What do you call it? I had on fall nails on my toe, and I had on the sneakers, and because I was in it all day, it kind of pressured my toe, my two big toes, and like in September, October, in about October thereabout, I had to take off the nail off my toe, but it's growing out now. It's actually like halfway there, like a little bit over half, so I can put the little cheap Walmart toenail upon it, and it not cause no harm. Because the one that I had on it was the one that I did acrylic and all those stuff, and that kind of pressure nail. Yeah, so I need to do all that. So yeah, stay tuned for all the changes that's gonna come. This morning I got up. When I got up, I was like, you know what? I need to get on my Zoom and I start applying for summer, because I know many employers are taking applicants in the end of since November. But I've been just taking it slow, not rushing or anything, because what I don't want is to have so many employers have my documents, petition for me, and then I end up don't go. Because the last time I felt bad. I felt really bad because Makina even sent me my I-797 and I'm here. So them wasting their money to do that, I don't like it. So I just want to have like this one employer that, if I even two employer working on my documents, and let me see that they're actually going through, and then before they even submit it, I can tell them, say, you know what, I went with someone else, so that they can get someone in. Because when I don't do that, then I'm taking away the space for someone else, and I don't want to be selfish. So I'm not trying to apply to everything and then get one bag of petitions. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, so I also cooked fish and rice, the same thing that I had yesterday, because that's all in the fridge. Listen, I'm not buying anything, okay? So I did that, and then I felt like I wanted to pack, but then just say, can't bother. I want to pull out my hair, so I'll probably do that tonight, wash it tomorrow, and so and then just, me now wash it. Now wash it tomorrow, cause I want to go to work with it, and I know I have to do like a slip back or slip back or something. That's gonna take a whole lot of product, and I don't want when Thursday come and I really want to do my hair, I have to wash it over again. So I'm not gonna wash it until both Friday, Saturday, around that. Yeah. So all of that is gonna be in a different vlog. This vlog is just really keeping you guys up to speed. The email is this. Email them your resume, ensure that your resume is up to par. Whatever you're applying for, ensure that it's on your resume. I know that many of you don't have the experience in working in a hotel or so forth, but I never had that experience when I first went on J1. Right, but J1 is much more easier. But there's many people who'd never had the experience, and I help them along the way. I never tell them to tell no lie, because many people do tell people to tell lie. Me, I'm not gonna say that. If you want to do it, you do it, and I'm not going to hold it against you or look at you anyway. No, everybody have to do what they have to do, but I'm not going to be the one to say your life on your resume. What I will say though, if it is that you have like a receptionist experience, use that and apply for front desk. If you're used to clean and all them something, use it. If you don't even have any experience that's really say cleaning, most of the time when employer hire you is because of your interview. So just learn to master your interview, and go through some series of questions that's on Google and try and learn how to answer the question. And let me tell you this, whenever they ask you about yourself and so forth, yes, they want to know about you, but also intertwine it with work. Like, what do you like to do? What do you see yourself like in work doing? Or what would the people describe you as and whatever? But most of the time they do want to know about you. They want to know that yes, you're jovial, you're funny, you love to talk to people, especially if you're applying for like a front desk or front of the house kind of job. You have to let them know that you're a people person. You get me? So all that, yeah, so just use your resume to just apply for the position that you want, and apply now, guys. Go on seasonal jobs, go on seasonal connect and apply to everything. And if you don't see anything on seasonal job or on seasonal connect, like if you don't see a lot, just use the old randomization list from last year to apply. Right? Not many of those are going to be out of country, but I always say just try. You never know. If you've been applying from last year, go back in your email and find all the emails that you sent out last year and resend them back. That's what you need to do. And not many people right now, I don't know if they're talking about it, but I'm honestly not following this H2b thing, because honestly it annoys me to hear people talking about it, and especially telling people to lie about it and all those stuff, to lie about their position. Yes, I know that you can use it to come in a hiring. Yeah, you can lie about it. Yeah, me know. But remember, things and time change. Not only that, they make it so easier now because they have so much petitions open, even though they have more countries qualified. So apply. Start applying now if you have not started. I know I was telling you January, but start applying now. Okay? Alright. Good morning, guys. Today is Christmas Eve, and I don't know what to feel about that, because I'm not celebrating any Christmas tomorrow because I'll be working. I don't have any food in the house. Like, if you see this is a fruit blend with chia in it, and I guess the chia make it black. Listen, I'm on my last leg, and I'm not buying nothing. I'm not buying nothing. If me go dead for hungry, I'm going to dead for hungry, because I'm not buying anything. And it's the reason why I've resort to this, because I just have to use what I have. So I bought this. I think this was the second time that I went to Walmart when I got here. I bought this, and I bought two of them actually, and now I have like four left. So this is 1 out of 4. I have 3 more to go. So I'm just drinking it. It don't taste all that awesome, but guess what? We don't have any breakfast. This is our breakfast. I have pigtail. Remember the pigtail that I bought not last week but the week before? I'm cooking that. I'm barbecuing that, and I'm gonna have it with. I don't even have rice. You know, some make of dumpling though, because I don't have rice. Not rice. I can't make none because of pork. The guy don't eat pork, so the minute since me make him rice, and then me I cook and him not get none. So a dumpling I forgot to eat today. Dumpling and barbecue pigtail. Rice me do want so, but I've been eating rice for the longest. So that is that. But guys, the struggle is real. Even my toothpaste. I know I cannot squeeze it. I have to go and cut it. I have to cut it, and in the morning I'm basically just using mouthwash. You can imagine me there foreign and yeah, live like a pauper. I just don't want to buy nothing. It don't make no sense because pricing is so expensive. A small case, a toothpaste like this, for $7. It doesn't make no sense. It don't make no sense. And I did have some small toothpaste, but I threw them in the barrel. I just came to say good morning and just pop in and out. When them say, take your hand, make fashion, and this them I talk about. Guys, we're on the last, and I make barbecue pigtail and dumpling, because that's all I have. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes good. So I'm eating this before work with some water. Tomorrow is Christmas, and I'll be spending it at work working. The good thing is that they prepare Christmas meal for us, so that's what I'll be having for my Christmas dinner. Whatever they have, and I'll show you tomorrow. But anyway, I'm gonna eat this and get ready for work later. Good night, guys. So I just got in from work, and I don't know what happened. Ow, but my knee, I can't bend it. Like I literally, I can't bend this foot, and it seems like a little bit swellish. I don't know, but one mark the right is, so I don't know what happened. But when I was at work, I worked on it, and it got worse. But I realized when I was like bending my knee, or when I was going up the stairs, like I couldn't go up the stairs. So I got this from work. My manager said I should bring it home, and it basically said cool the pain. And then this was here. I think Nicole did have this. Is basically Voltaren, so it's like arthritis pain. I don't know if me have arthritis, and then I get this, so I'm just gonna use all of this, rub it on my leg, because tomorrow is Christmas Day and it's gonna be busy at work, and I really want to go to work tomorrow, honestly, because I want to make some more money. I don't want not to go, so I'm just gonna rub it on here and just hope for the best tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna do. So this week is really like, it's kind of hectic-ish because I'm packing, organizing stuff, and Christmas. See that you can tell, so it's swelling like right here. So I'm just gonna wrap it and spray it and wrap it. I got both of these somewhere. My manager said I should just take it. And do tell them, do they want me to work? They want me to work, so them not go. They're not gonna care if I take it for work, because they want me to work. But this is weird. This never happened really to me. I hope by tonight it stops. And the thing is, every night them actually replace, not every night, so every week or every month, I think they replace these stuff. So if it's not there, then that is that. But I also have another package. This week is just dedicated to package. Some of it is for people, but some is also for me. So yeah, I'll show you what I got. I honestly don't remember what I got. I really don't remember what's in here, but let's go. Okay, so now I remember. So this is like a camera, and it's basically a car camera. It's got reverse and front camera and in camera. There's 2K G sensor, 3 channel dash cam. So you have inside, forward, and around the back, and a parking monitor, loop recording. So I got this to bring home, and then this is my case for my phone. So let's open it. It's a S10 case on my other phone. So yeah, normally cases come in another like a plastic thing, but this come in a cardboard, and it also comes with this warranty thing. And if you realize, I actually moved back the bed. Yeah, move the bed back, and then this is it. So I'm just gonna put this in here. Guys, I have this whole long, like from the first time I bought it, the S10, and the plastic still on it and everything. Still basically kind of brand new. But I use this like for my Jamaican SIM when I'm up here. Yeah, there we go. Looking nice and cute, clean. So that's that. Looks clean already. You even match the background. Yeah, so that's that. Love that. Let me see if you can charge with the case. Yep, charging with the case. And then, oh, this is a gift for someone. This is basically a share. So I'm just gonna open it. And what else? Oh, and then this is a nail, toenail, and that's it. This is to put on my toe, basically a toenail, and then this is for a gift for someone. I'm a gift giving person, guys. You have to see with me. I asked my brother today what he wants. He said he doesn't really want nothing. That's the thing with us, like, if you ask us what we want, we never want nothing yet, because we're so privileged to basically can buy what we want or basically get what we want. So I think this is the cape thing, and then you get the sheer quality. You can feel it, feels strong, but heavy. It's heavy and it's gold. It's very heavy. Love that. And then this one, it comes with the smaller one too. This is a perfect gift. I don't like the skull that's on it though. And it lights up. The skull lights up. You know, so this one is charged, and they're both chargeable. That's the good thing. It's both chargeable. I didn't realize that it was a skull. I don't like the skull that's on it, but it is what it is. I hope they really appreciate it. And then this one. Nice, love that. And then you see the digital part right here. Yes. Feels very strong. So I hope they appreciate it. Because I was actually looking for something else, and I was like, you know what, let me buy this. It's a man thing, so let me buy it. And the packaging, really nice. I love it. I like how it comes in its own thing. So this is cute. Alright, this is cute. And then the nail. So this is what I want to put on my toe, because as I told you before, when I was at York House in Independence Day, I had on shoes and it was really tight, and then I had false nails on my toe, and because of that it kind of damaged my toe. So right now my toenail is like halfway out, a little bit more than half, and then I bought this to put on it. So this not gonna really do nothing because it has short as my nail, and yeah. So stay tuned for the before and after. Should I open this? Let me open it. Anyway, as I said, tomorrow is Christmas, so Merry Christmas, guys. You know, I should have. Hold on, wait. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll be working all day. I'll be working from 10 to about 9 tomorrow. So it's going to be really busy. They have practically about 200 people coming for Christmas dinner. Today we had 101. It was busy, but it was manageable. My only issue was that my knee was hurting. But I can walk on it, but it's just like when I'm bending, that's where the problem is. So this is the part to wire around the back of the car. And you get this stuff. And then the manual, and then I guess the camera is in here. After me buy them something, I must have to buy one car. I'm not buying a car. But I rude. This is the front camera to look outside, and then this is the one to look inside the car, and then this one now is the one for the reverse to look at the back. So that's that. Anyway, I'm gonna get something to eat and then just go and rest. I need to set my alarm because knowing me, if I don't set that alarm, I'll be waking up like 12 o'clock. These days I've been waking up late. And tomorrow, we know them now gonna have it with me wake up late and come and work late. So I'll talk to you all tomorrow and tell you how tomorrow goes. Guys, after this vlog, you're going to have so much more eventful stuff going on. Yeah. Let's call it the last week of boring vlog. Last week of boring vlogs. Okay, location I got change, room I got change, everything. If you realize I start putting back the room together, I put back the 2-bed separate, and that's packing. Like, yeah, I'm getting there. So next, the next vlog, you'll see more activities. Okay, all right. Merry Christmas, y'all, from the family, the work family. Merry Christmas. We're not to the line, we look nice to the act here. Go some. We are trying, I know, yeah, you're saying in kitchen. Jackson. And you know, you're also nice, Merry Christmas. William.
One thing I have a video.
Take it. Okay.
Wait.
Twice. No, nothing is going on there. Nothing's going on
over here. Guys, today is my last day at work. I'll be working 4:30 today, but I'm in the same shirt from yesterday. So, no, leave me alone. Yeah, because I barely do nothing in the clothes. We'll put it on, go to my bed, get up, go work, and then come back. So I don't need to change clothes like that often because when I wash my clothes. So this is editing Vanessa. Listen, you see my nose? Yes, I know you see it. Yes, I know you see it. It is not boo-goo, nor nose knot or anything like that. It is the fact that I was sick and I kept rubbing my nose, so it dried the skin. I come off like my nose irritated. Right now I just put some lotion on it because I don't have any Vaseline, just to remove the dryness, because I'm going to work and I don't want no one else to think that it's boo-goo. Yeah, so back to the vlog. Anyway, today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm going to spend tomorrow and clean, pull out my hair, wash my hair and all those stuff. Today we're planning to do like a little cooking for the few little Jamaicans that's here. Well, not few Jamaicans, the 4 of us that's here. Yeah, 4 of us. So that's Sahini, Imara, and Jackson and myself. They are cooking. I am doing the potato salad and I'm doing the sorrel. Jackson just contribute because I'm at work all day. I think Imara, I don't know. I don't know how it go, but them I cook the food. Them I cook the food. They wanted me to cook, but they said they season the food and everything. So I don't know if they're coming home. Maybe 2 o'clock or something and gonna cook. I don't know. I don't know how them I do it. But I'm doing the potato salad and the sorrel. I just went to buy rum to put in the sorrel and we cannot find any rum. But the rum that I found was a Jamaican rum. Normally would I use Rare Nephew and Red Label wine and all those stuff. But we have to use what we have. You get me, answer? Yeah. So the kitchen dirty. The kitchen is so dirty. If I was to cook, I wouldn't go in there, honestly. I would probably just stay down here and cook on the 2 burner and make it take a little more time because from those people come, I have not been in the kitchen because I just know that they're going to be very nasty. You see, when the Jamaicans were here and even the Mexican was here, because the Jamaican was using the kitchen mostly, the kitchen used to keep clean. And even if I go in there and I see like a 1 spoon and a 1 plate or so forth, I would wash it. But now the stove, I'm going to show you. Like, I cannot do it. I cannot do it. And then the woman, I don't think the woman is coming to clean today. Maybe tomorrow because she wants to spend time with her family. So it's going to be dirty and it's going to be stinky. I wouldn't cook in there. So I feel like Sahini them is going to cook in their room. If they want the other burner, I can give it to them. But we not cook no big something, you know. And it's rice and peas and chicken. They asked if I wanted to do curry. Like if I wanted them to do curry, I was like, no, because you know me and curry, we don't really like curry that much. So that is that. I'm going to end off the vlog tonight and then start another one tomorrow. So, because as I said, it's going to be like a daily stuff. So I'll give you daily vlogs, but it's not going to release same time. But you're going to get daily stuff. And I'm so sorry that it wasn't like the festivity of life and everything. Listen, I'm on the program and yes, festivity stuff happen, but it's basically when you're at work. And as you saw the pictures, the images before, that was us preparing to work. And guys, would you believe like the Thanksgiving was so much better. The people were so much giving in Thanksgiving. And people, I get $200 bill and them a tip $20. It's supposed to tip $40 the least. Like they're not so joyful and so merry. Like imagine we take a little time. Yes, we dey here when our program. Yes, we dey here we want to work and we want to make money. But we could have their home too. We could have their home and we could have nowhere to come and eat because the whole town is basically closed. We're the only restaurant we're open and providing meals for who 3-course meal like that. Wine, drinks, everything, and you don't want to appreciate us the fact that we're working on a public holiday. Well, to us in Jamaica, a public holiday. So, but on a day like this when you're supposed to be marrying, is a season for giving. You understand? And them barely a tip. Only once somebody missed a tip really good, and it was on a $500 bill, and the girl asked me if this tip right because I'm the maths brain. And I saw she put $180. And I must say, yes, that is more than the amount that she's supposed to tip you. Because 20% of that $100. And she give you a $180. And she said she's the only one who say, thank you for working on this day. You didn't have to work. Like, people don't really appreciate people. Like, really? Anyway, this is my last leg, and this is where I tell us that listen, you ain't gonna see me in this room anymore. I don't know what's gonna come. But I know it's a change. You'll get a room tour and all those stuff. Yeah. So yeah, stay tuned. And I have mixed emotions anyway. Yeah, and you know, I always say whenever you're at that place, the beginning is the roughest. Then when you're leaving, it's like it's a bittersweet moment because it's like it's the largest, it's to build this bond with the people them, and you're leaving and it's so emotional. And me, I always feel like emotions, you know. And then look what I got from my summer game. last night because I won't be seeing him. He got me this champagne. It's basically it's free. Even though really get it for me or whatever, but the company something. And I always like doing this. But it's just the message that he put on it to show the relationship with me and him they have. Like him write on it, took the words from the best. Yeah, and I like that. Understand? So I'm gonna bring this and keep it. I'm going to open it. So yeah, it's just like the small little tokens, the appreciation and all those stuff. And many people asking me, you're gonna come back, you're gonna come back. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna come back and all those. And I tell you, the last half wasn't bad. Like, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, me and the manager that I told you that we kick off, she came to me and she was like, listen, this is not us, this is not you. I don't want you to be vexed with me or whatever. And we both apologize and we good now. But you see, when two female come together and lick head, this is gonna happen. But yeah, I don't have any animosity towards her or anything like that. And I told her the reason I'm being really vexed is because I did already, like in the morning I never wanted to come to work, and I pushed and go to work because I said I want to work in the dinner shift, and then you cut me for dinner shift for something that was so dumb. So that is why I was actually upset. And she said she realized that she shouldn't have cut me. I know she apologized or whatever, which she can't really take back because she already done it, you understand? But it's in a sense you go through life and bring up strife and hatred towards people. Men are good now. So no matter how vex that, we good. You get what I'm saying? Alright. So we just need to update you on that. But things happen, and yes, she's the manager and you're supposed to listen to her or whatever. But me, and I say, yo, this just dumb. If we can't reach the table, we're gonna use a broom. Even though I'm the side of my head, when I say I want me to use the broom, like we could have used the broom more. You get me? I'm saying, but it is what it is. So yeah, this chapter coming to an end, new one is starting. So, okay, stay tuned for all that, and it's gonna be fun. Let me tell you that it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. So stay tuned and share your friends and family. Let's go on this journey together. I've already started packing it up. That barrel full. The barrel is full, and the jar then empty apart from one, which have this winter stuff in there. And to take it out, but I want to put my pillow in the barrel too, because I don't want to leave my pillow. But I have a box where I can put like my stuff, some other stuff in there, like kitchen stuff and so forth. Listen, we will see. Anyway, later. Hey guys, so I realized that I'd never really closed out the vlog properly, so I just come to close out the vlog. It is Friday, and I've just been like preparing. I went to say my goodbyes. I didn't get to see who I actually wanted to see today, but I did say bye to some folks. I did finish pack the barrel and put it into storage along with the pots and so on. So right now I am just like editing, watching YouTube, and tomorrow I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair and do my hair, I think. Tomorrow's Saturday. Yeah, or do my nails. I'm gonna do my nails. You know what? I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, if you reach this far in the video, just drop a gift in the comment down below, because Christmas is the season for giving. And yeah, just drop a gift emoji. Let me see. And guys, remember now, when I like the video, you know, it helped me video out, it push it out to more people. So if you want to be like, I don't want to be selfish, but if you don't want to help me, I'll push out the video more so that more people get over here, so we build a community. Yeah, just like the video. So please, let's get this video. So if there's 100 people watching the video, let's see if we can get it to 100 likes. Okay? I know I'm not asking for much, but I used to get a lot, but my fault, so it's my fault. I stopped vlogging and so forth, so I'm not going to blame nobody but myself. But thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your kind words. And thank you for being here and being with me on this journey. It was a struggle, but it got better. So if you reach this far, like the video, as I said before, subscribe if you have not subscribed, turn on the post notification and share it to your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next vlog. Okay?